How's it, guys? Welcome back to another exciting episode of Trending Travel Talk. This episode is all about unity, growth, and celebrating the remarkable progress made in connecting African destinations. We explore how together, marketing Africa is reshaping the travel landscape. Plus, we celebrate the growth of African connections through the Cape Town Air Access project. Our first destination is the beautiful city of Cape Town, where Air Access has been making significant strides as they celebrate the Cape Town Air Access project growth. The primary goal of the project is to broaden and intensify air access to and from the Western Cape, with targeted African and international markets, as reported by Wesgro, the official tourism trade and investment promotion agency for Cape Town and the Western Cape, where they helped secure 19 new routes, as well as 23 route expansions, resulting in over 1.5 million two-way seats being added within an estimated 6 billion rand in tourism spend. If that's not something to celebrate, I don't know what is. If you'd like to learn more about the role of improved air access in tourism development, the impact on business and leisure travelers, how this growth enhances Cape Town's position as a travel hub, head on over to Tourism News Africa's data portal to understand. Our last stop is the recent TBCSA Tourism Leadership Conference, which highlighted how tourism growth can be achieved through sustainable collaborations. Some of their discussion points are the significance of collaboration in sustainable tourism growth, with real-life examples of successful collaborations, the economic and environmental benefits of sustainable tourism initiatives, the challenges faced by individual destination marketing, the benefits of collaborative marketing efforts, how this approach can attract more tourists to Africa through the government and private sectors collaborating. And these stories remind us of the limitless potential of African travel and what the power of collaborations can do. As always, stay tuned for more Trending Travel Talk, where we bring you the latest in travel trends and insights. If you'd like to read more about these highlights, please head over to our website at the Industry News section. If you enjoyed today's discussion, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Please comment down below or head over to our LinkedIn for more updates and to connect with us. If you have a topic that you'd like us to cover, email us at news@tourismnewsafrica.com. Until next time, keep exploring, keep collaborating, and keep making a positive impact on the world through sustainable tourism. Safe travels, guys.